Daniel Jeffries, codi ben, y bel uniongyrchol at Lewis Clutton, Clutton yn glir, Clutton yn rhwydo. A wedi dim ond 4 munud, mae Pen-y-bont ar y blaen. Gôl gynta'r tymor yma i Lewis Clutton. O, ac mi oedd hi'n hawdd, doedd? Kane Owen, y capten, dros y gic rydd. Owen at y postyn gosa, Harry Lloyd yn arbed. Rhys Griffiths di wahardd ac yn gwylio o bellter. Ollie Southern at Ollie Shannon. Shannon yn llithro'r bas, Lasana Mendes. Mendes yn tanio, Mendes yn sgorio i 4edd gôl tymor yma. Mi fydd Celyn Absalom yn siomedig o gael ei giro ar y postyn gosa o'r safle yna, dwi'n siŵr. Kane Owen, y gig gornel fewn. Iorwerth yn codi fel cawr ac oddi ar y llinell gan Ollie Shannon. Harry Lloyd yn casglu'r bêl. Gwaith gwych gan Shannon i achub y bala. A mae'n gig hir gan Harry Lloyd. Dyma'r bala'n dod yn gwrthymosod yn syth. Newell y croesiad fewn. Luke Wall disgwyl amdani. Y cyffyrddiad lawr at Chris Venables. Llai na chwarter awr yn weddill, mae'r bala ar y blaen. Shannon yn clirio'r bêl oddi ar y llinell ac o fewn eiliadau. Mae'r bala di mynd i ben arall y cae a di troi'r gêm ar ei phen. Ydy'r bala ar fin ennill, oddi cartref mewn tro cyntaf mis Rhagfyr. Kane Owen, o gwiriad! Ac mae Owen di cipio pwynt i Pen-y-bont. Ac Ollie Shannon ar ôl rhwystro 1 gôl sicr, y bêl yn gwiro'n greulon oddi arno fo i gefn y rhwyd.
In the end, happy, scoring late on. Probably a little bit of luck we needed. We haven't had much this season, to be honest. Like, things conspiring against us, but we'll take it in the end. We're a bit deflated in here, but we got 4 games left now to try and get where we want to go. It's not ideal. We were looking for the win, but I think in the end the draw was probably fair.
I think before the game, you might think a point is a decent result when you come here. It's a tough place to come, but to be leading 2-1, such a good second half performance. I thought we played well in the first half as well, to be fair, but to be a goal down here, come back to 2-1, and then to have a sucker punch like that in the 88th or 89th minute, feels a little bit like a loss.
Dechrau'n un gyflym iawn, a fi'n credu dylsyn ni wedi trio cael yr ail gôl neu'r trydydd gôl i wneud y bach yn hawsach i ni, ond mae Bala wastad yn anodd i chwarae yn erbyn a wnaethon nhw aros yn y gêm yn dda. Ond yn yr ail hanner, with dim byd yn rhyw eitha end-to-end. A with y ddau tîm yn mynd am y buddigoliaeth, ond rhaid rhannu'r pwyntiau heddi.
I think, obviously with what's happened this week, with the points, we've obviously appealed it, but Connor's key winning yesterday is going to be tough for us now. We've got Met's a massive game for us Friday now. It's a must-win for us Friday. And then we've got TNS, so I think it just depends how the season pans out. It's going to be tough for us to get second, but third, depending what happens in the Welsh Cup, obviously we're still aiming for that. And as a club, I think the last 3 years now we've been in and around third or fourth every season. So